6 months back, nothing worked out for me. I thought, why not to make a system according to my requirement and for myself that can give me results. Now let me ask you a question. 90% of the people who use these old traditional methods do not get results. Now in this video I am going to share a complete blueprint of this complete outbound system, and I built it. Now this system does not only outreach to your ideal customer profile, it engages with your customers and increase your chances of conversion. 6 months back, I ran out of leads and I tried tens of emails, LinkedIn automation, even I used Dripify and so many other tools. But nothing worked out for me. Then I thought, why not to make a system according to my requirement and for myself that can give me results. And I built it and it gave me results. Now in this video, I am going to share a complete blueprint of this complete outbound system that you can use for your organization, your business, your agency, and even for your personal use. Now this system does not only outreach to your ideal customer profile, it engages with your customers and increase your chances of conversion. Now before moving ahead, let me introduce myself. My name is Vapi, and I have been building agentic system AI agents for the last 1 year, and I have built market intelligence agents to research based agents. Before knowing about this complete outbound system, let's understand why this system is perfect. Now let me ask you a question. What are you exactly using for outreach methods? In most of the cases, you might be using email marketing or LinkedIn automations. 90% of the people who use these old traditional methods do not get results, and all their efforts go into waste. Now you could ask me, Gaurav, what is left? Then I say text messaging is left, WhatsApp messaging is left, and even the voice agent is left. But they do not work until all these systems are made in a systematic manner. That's what I did for myself, and it worked for me. Now let me take you to the complete blueprint and let me share how this system actually works and how this system is made in a systematic manner that is generating result for me. So here we are in the system. Now this system is made using platform like Go High Level or Hubspot. You can use any of these two. So here the first step is to get pre-qualifying leads. So here I have got these leads using Google Business. You can use any of website scraper or different type of scrapers to get leads. So I have saved my leads into Go High Level, and I have created multiple batches according to the regions that the leads are belongs to. So after that, I have taken a Twilio number that sends message to these people or these leads. Now this Twilio number is configured with the Go High Level, or you can buy a number in Go High Level itself and you can create an automation right there. So the first thing here goes is that we send a message to all these people. Now, as we send a message to these people, we send them a very hyper personalized message according to the product and the service that we serve, and they get a personalized message. Now, after that, they send us a reply. The reply could be divided in 3 parts. The one could be the positive reply that we get. The second is the maybe, and the third one is the negative reply. If the reply is negative, there goes a follow-up message. If the reply is maybe and even positive, then we initiate a outbound AI voice agent call. So this agent is built in Vapi. So you can build voice agent in Vapi, retail or blend. Generally I use Vapi because Vapi has more functionality is in building voice agents, and they provide a very number of APIs. So here this voice agent directly calls them, and this voice agent is trained on sales pitch. So it creates the curiosity in the client about the product and services we have, and it emphasize on scheduling meeting with us directly. Now after that, the customer is agree to schedule a meeting, and he shows interest in our product. Then there is a follow-up agent that calls to the customer before 30 minutes. So understand, we are not losing the leads here. We are scheduling the meeting. We are following up before the meeting as well. So this follow-up agent calls 30 minutes before the actual meeting with any of our client. Now in this part, there could be 3 options. The one is that the client confirms the meeting, that he is going to come to the meeting. And the second is he wants the meeting to be rescheduled. And the third is that he didn't show up. Now here, the one thing happens is that if he confirms the meeting, he comes on the meeting, and there are chances that we convert the client. The second is that he notify about that he wants to reschedule the meeting. Then the process also start again as it reschedules the call, and the agent start rescheduling and taking follow-ups. The third thing is that he didn't show up. So there is a show up voice agent that goes to the person and asks that why he was not showed up. And there could be two option again, that he wants to reschedule the meeting, or he's not simply not interested in a product. Now, if you could just understand, any leads that enter into the system exit through the not interested gate only. So we have made the system in a manner that any leads who enter into the system does not leave behind or does not get filtered until and unless we find out that the client is genuinely not interested into the product that we have built so far. So here, this is how the system actually works and generate results. If you just go through the system entirely, this is how we not only outreach, we follow up, we reschedule meeting, and we answer their every frequently asked question. And these voice agents are trained on very high sales pitch. They know better how to deal a particular question from the customers, and they are trained on a vast amount of knowledge about our product and services. They deal the questions very handy. So this is how the system actually works. Now, if you are fed up with your system, or you are fed up with email marketing, LinkedIn automation, you can ask me to build the same system for your organization. Fill the form in the description box and let me know if you want to build the same system for your organization.